S to the COOSA. Scoosa is the name, and I do this every day. So like, subscribe, turn on notification, because I'm bringing the heat with no hesitation.
Welcome back to my channel. My name is Sharonda, but you can call me Scoosa. And today I'm back with another video. So today I'm back with the update on this nose ring. So if you follow me, then you already know that I pierced my nose at home with the kit that I got off of Amazon. First things first, let me say, after I did some studying and some research, and other people have also notified me that the at-home piercing is not the best way to go to pierce your nose. You should definitely go to a professional, go to a a piercing shop. But I did it at home. The reason they tell you to go to a professional and not to use the at-home kit is because they said the at-home kit is more like a forced trauma, forced blunt into the nose. So you can end up with keloids and all other kind of issues. Your nose may not heal, or you should just go to a professional. That's all I'm saying. But little old me, I pierced my nose at home. My husband did it, and this is what it looks like. It's been about 2 months now. They take, from research, they say it take about, I want to say 2 to 6 months to heal. But of course, that also depends on the person. So sometimes it can take longer. But mine is doing pretty good. I haven't had any problems. It's doing pretty good. The only thing that I can say is it snags a lot. So I wash my face in the morning, I wash my face at night. And then a lot of times it snags into my washcloth, or not even if I'm using a washcloth, but the sponge that I use, it snags into the sponge and it gets snatched out. So yes, when it gets snatched out, I have to put it back in, and it hurts sometimes, I will say. And sometimes I have to force it back in. Well, I would have to force it back in because it wasn't healed, you know what I'm saying? So I would have to force it back in. Sometimes it would cause bleeding, it would cause a lot of pus. But I mean, as of now, I hadn't had that problem lately. I guess I know now how to wash around it and avoid getting it snagged and pulled out. You know what I'm trying to say. But yeah, so this is what it looks like. I could twist it. So I don't know if it's healed yet. I don't know how to properly tell if it's healed yet. But I'm not going to change it until, I don't know, I'm going to give it a few more months. But yeah, that's number one. It snags. To clean it, I use sea salt and water. I use this little spray bottle. And I just add the sea salt in the water and just shake it up. Then I take it and I spray it directly onto my nose, and I take a Q-tip and rub around it. Or sometimes I just take the solution and spray it directly onto the Q-tip and then clean around my nose. And I also use tea tree oil. So tea tree oil is for cleansing, as you can see. And I also use tea tree oil. So I just take the tea tree oil, turn it over, put it onto a Q-tip, and take that Q-tip and cleanse my nose. And some people said the tea tree is the reason I have a black ring around my nose. So if you don't want a black ring around your nose, I guess don't use the tea tree. But I don't know, whatever floats your boat. Also with the kit from Amazon, they give you, I think it was, I can't remember, it's like 20 something different piercings. You can see. It's like 20 something different piercings, all kinds, colors, shapes. Like I said, I haven't changed it yet. You know what? Matter of fact, one time when I washed my face and my nose ring came out, I'm using the L-shaped needle. Let me see if I have one in here so I can show you. I'm using the L-shaped needle, so when it came out, it was hard to go back in. So what I did do was I did use the round needle. Let me see if I can show y'all. I did use the round needle to force it back through so that it wouldn't close. And I left that in for maybe a day or two. See this? I used this one to just stick it in and push it back through. And like I said, I left that in for like a day or two, and then I went back to the one that I used to pierce my nose. This is, I'm trying to find the L shape. All right, this is the L shape. So the L shape goes in like this. And then you have to push it through. So like I said, when it came out that day, it was hard for me to push it back through, which is why I just used the curved piercing. And like I said, I did that for like a day, and then I just went back to the one that I used when I pierced my nose. And let me show y'all something else. So this is the needle that they give you to pierce your nose with. And like I said, it's basically blunt force to the nose. So when you push it through, it's basically pushing this needle through your nose. But when I did mine, it didn't go all the way through. So I had to force mine through. That's another reason I would say, yes, go to a professional. But I didn't know then, but I know now. But I mean, I don't regret it. I probably still would try it again. But yes, I ended up having to push that one all the way through. And I don't think I could get it through. As a matter of fact, I was trying to push it all the way through. I couldn't get it through, which is why I ended up using the L shape. And the L shape was easier to push through and pull down. You can see the bottom piece through my nostril. So that was, anyways, that's what I ended up doing. I ended up using the L shape. So that's what I have in now, the L shape. And would I pierce my nose again at home by myself? I probably wouldn't, to be honest with you. But then again, I don't know because I'm spontaneous like that. So it's been 2 months. Like I said, I'll keep y'all updated and let y'all know how the healing process goes. Like I said, right now, I feel like it's fine. I feel like it's maybe healed all the way. I don't know. But if anything happened, if I do get a keloid or anything of that nature, I will come back and let y'all know. I will also link the, put in the description box, the link on where you can purchase the at-home piercing kit for those who want to get it. Like I said, it's better to go to a professional. But if you want to be like me and pierce your nose at home, then go ahead and do it. But that's all. That's it. So thank y'all for tuning in, and I will see y'all in the next video.